Hello, this is the Blizzard Showcase. As you see, I fully maxed it out today after my stream of getting to 3rd C. I'm going to be doing the quest while I do this, and check. Alright, so this is the Z move. You hold it down and it'll do more damage, kind of like the Dough move. And it spawns more shurikens. This is Whiteout. X move. Howling Wind, C move. And then this is the V move. It does tick damage, which is really good for PvP. Then the flight move also does tick damage when you fly. And I'm going to show you guys a combo with it. I might not be the best with it, but I tried it. So you white out. Oh, yep, and then you do that. And you do this. See, I messed it up, but you want to have Superhuman and Blizzard, and you can use Coco if you want, but it doesn't really matter what sword you use, so bam. I missed that, but when you hit that, I'm gonna keep trying just because I can. I want you guys to memorize it, and obviously you might be better than me. But first, I'm gonna use Blizzard Domain. When damn, I missed it, but pretend I hit that. Boom, boom, and then you just keep doing this, and you repeat it whenever you can, just like that.